YouTube video. Today I thought I would do a tutorial on a bold and bright holiday makeup look. I did some searching on YouTube to try to find inspiration for like Christmas makeup or like holiday makeup. But really all I found was a bunch of girls doing like dramatic smoky eyes or painting Christmas lights all over their face. And as for the dramatic smoky eye, you know, considering I'm a goth girl, that's what I do every day. I paint my eyes dramatic and dark. So like, been there, done that, wanted something different. Don't really want to paint Christmas lights all over my face either. And I didn't see anything like this. So I thought you guys would be interested in finding out how I created this look. I am not a professional makeup artist, but this is how I do my makeup, you know, in the style of which I do my makeup every day. So I thought you guys might enjoy it. So if you want to find out how I go from this to this, keep watching. All right, welcome to the bathroom and my super bald ass face where I do my makeup. So we start with MAC. This is MAC Studio Fix NC10. NC10. It's the lightest color that MAC makes. It's pressed powder foundation, which is hitting the pan, obviously. And I explained this in my last video, but I don't even use foundation on my whole face, which is different from a lot of goth makeup tutorials that I watch. But yeah, I guess I don't need it. I have pretty good skin, so I just sort of put it around my eyes to even out these dark spots, and like, that's it. Voila, foundation accomplished. Okay. Next I use these 24-hour shadow insurance, and I just dab it on like this. And then blend it in. So next we start with eyeshadows. So I used to have a beautiful white eyeshadow from Sugarpill, but I smashed it. I smashed it before I started filming this video. So we're just gonna use good old virgin powder from Manic Panic. And this, it's just a drugstore eyeshadow brush to do white in the corners. Like that, that looks super beautiful. And since I haven't smashed my green from Sugarpill, this is my green, this is Midori by Sugarpill. Same brush. Blend it in with the white. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a different brush. This is actually an eyeshadow brush from MAC. And my red Sugarpill, which is called Love Plus, which I also did not smash, luckily. And do the outsides. Then I'm gonna do the underneath a little bit in red, just in the corners here. And then I'm gonna do a red line over top. It's actually above my actual crease, but I'm pretending it's the crease. So now we have this, which looks beautiful, I know. Back to the green. Just gonna fill in a little bit under the eyes here in the middle with the green. Yes. So I can take a second to wipe the fallout of my face. Also not sure why I just had a British accent there for a second, but anyway. Get rid of some of that. Still, you can see it here, but we'll get rid of that later. Now you blend the ever-living fuck out of everything. Okay, so now we have this so far, looking a little bit better. And now I'm just gonna highlight under my eyebrows with this pinky peachy. It's just basically sort of like a flesh tone glitter powder kind of thing. Okay, so now we have this. You can see that, but anyway. Now comes liquid liner. This is Bourjois 24-hour, I don't know, stay put liquid liner. Ultra black. Ultra black for those extra goth points that we need in the morning. And I don't line all the way into the corners, just to sort of about there. In the bottoms. Now for extra big dramatic eyeliner wings. Now for mascara. This is just shitty drugstore mascara, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to be putting on false lashes. I just want my eyelashes not to be light colored. Okay. Then I have clear Maybelline Great Lash. It's supposed to be mascara, but I use it on my eyebrows just to keep them in place. We're getting there. I'm starting to look like a person a little bit, right? Okay, now that that's dry, we're going to go into the Jeffree Star Crystal Ball highlight with this fluffy kind of brush. Just do it on the cheekbones like this. And the Jeffree Star, what is this called? Onyx Ice. It's the black one. Onyx Ice. Very lightly, so you don't end up looking like you got black streaks on your cheeks. Just under the cheekbones. Also, like, my cheekbones are fairly prominent anyway, so I don't, I was going to say I don't need to look like Peter Cushing, but I kind of do. Everyone kind of needs to look like Peter Cushing. Okay. Now I need eyelash glue. Okay, so I have my false lashes here. I'm just going to put the glue on them. And also on my eyelids. Okay, just like that in little dots. Now we just wait for that to dry. And while we wait for that, we put on lipstick. So this is Maybelline Matte Ink Super Stay, whatever. I just bought it at the drugstore because it matches this color red for my eyes. This shit is amazing. It will stay on all day. Like literally all day. I can eat. It stays on better than any lipstick I've ever tried, honestly, which is surprising because I bought it at the drugstore. Unfortunately, they don't make black, which makes me very sad. But I did buy like 3 colors from them, which are all very cool. I bought sort of like a weird grayish kind of color and also like a navy blue. Okay, gotta wait a minute for those to dry. Now while I do that, there is this. This is called Ink Me. It's by, I don't know who it's by. Ink Me Stamp Tattoo by Rimmel. I bought it at the drugstore. Anyways, it is a star-shaped stamp, and I'm gonna stamp stars all over my face because it's Christmas. Why not? Because I can. And because I'm bald, so I can put that up into my hairline. Why not? Okay. I think the lashes are almost dry. I'm just going to put another coat of liner on top of the glue to get rid of that white. See the white a little bit? Going to get rid of that. And then I'm going to do my hair. Okay, so makeup's done. Such as it is. And I'm going to put my Death Hawk up. So there you have it. My Death Hawk is up. The makeup is complete. We're going to go to the living room for a better look at this. So there you have it. The creation of this very bright makeup look. This is, you know, pretty bright for me, but like, it's Christmas, so what the fuck? Why not, right? What the fuck? I hope you liked it. I think it's super fun. I definitely wore this look to my Christmas party and will definitely wear it a few times again, probably before Christmas. So, and I hope you try it out. If you do try it out, please tag me. Please let me know. I would love to see how it looks on your face or something similar, or if it's inspired by this. That would be amazing. You know what else would be amazing? If you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be amazing. If you want to give this video a thumbs up, looks like this. That would also be amazing. If you want to follow me on social media where I post outfit pictures, I'm under Madame_Absinthe on Instagram, which like I said is outfits. Twitter, I post pictures of my face, so this makeup will probably be on Twitter. Also sewing in progress and also weird things that happens to me. Again, Madame_Absinthe. If you want to ring the bell, you can get notifications for when I put up new videos, and there's a very fun one coming next week that I think you're all going to like, so that would be a good idea to ring the bell right now. And I think that's it. Please like, please subscribe, follow me on social media, and ring the bell, and hopefully you will be around to see my next festive YouTube video.